channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to turn off Birdfy Squirrel notification manage motion alert setting in the app. So guys, to change this, first of all change the notification frequency. So guys, you open your Birdfy app and select your device, then tap the option of setting icon. Then guys, navigate to the notification frequency and select the Bird Squirrel to ensure you only get notified for recognized animal rather than the general motions. After that guys, use the do not disturb. So if you want to focus strictly on the bird and ignore squirrel entirely, use don't disturb mode and blacklist feature. For this guys, simply open and go to the device settings, then select the notification and click the option of do not disturb. Then guys, add the squirrel tag to your do not disturb mode list to block alert from them. For additional camera troubleshooting shooting skill, you can officially visit the Birdfy Help Center, where you get the help about your product and you ask the question for the product related questions. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.